love. Turn to a killer, your strug. Money done gain my trust. Cardiac bitch, don't crush. Y'all done built this nut. Nigga kept playing, they spill like mud. I was just drinking on love. I'm just on my drug.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're gonna be installing this lace frontal wig. I wore this wig for my birthday and it's just been sitting on a mannequin head looking retarded, so yeah, we're gonna put it on today. So now I'm just rinsing it so I can wash it. Yeah, I'm using oh never mind, I'm getting the brush now. Water too hot, hold on. All right, boom. So I'm gonna be taking this Love Beauty and Planet shampoo. Got this from Walmart. I don't know how much it costs, look it up, I don't know. I'm gonna be taking, I don't know how much I'm gonna be taking, probably a lot. I'm gonna be going back and forth because when I was washing it, it wasn't lathering. So we're gonna rub it into the hair. Get it good, scrub it up, because you don't want all that. See, look, no lather, confused. You want all that glue, oils that was in your wig to be out, because you want this installed to be beautiful. All right. So now I'm just scrubbing the lace because the excess glue is still stuck on there. So I'm just scrubbing it with my fingernail so it can come off. But later on, I'm gonna take a cloth and put alcohol in it and scrub more. So yeah. So as y'all seen, I washed the hair and blow dried. Ooh, girl. So I washed the hair and blow dried it. Now I'm gonna be installing the wig, and since we're in quarantine, I'm gonna be having these dookie braids in for a long time so my hair can grow. So now I'm gonna be taking some edge control to slick down the edges. So when I put the cap on, my edges be slicked back, so my edges won't get snatched by the glue. So yeah. So now I'm gonna be putting on the cap. Yes, I know this cap is not my skin color. I'm gonna be putting on makeup on it. Can I talk? I'm gonna be putting makeup on it later on so it can match my skin. Cause we all know I ain't that light. I'm not gonna be gluing down the cap cause nobody got time for that. Cause I'm not gonna be having this wig on for a long time. So yeah, we ain't gonna be doing that today. So now I'm taking my foundation and brush. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting a little bit on my hand. Yeah, big forehead. If you got a big forehead, comment down below. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit on my hand and then dabbing the brush up in there and just putting it on the cap so it can match my skin color. All right, so now that I'm done putting the foundation on, I'm gonna be taking a rag and alcohol and just cleaning around my hairline, so when I put on the glue, it'll stick. Because if you don't clean your hairline, it's going to be oily and just a mess. So I'm gonna be using the boho lace glue. Hello, what am I doing? Yeah. So the boho. Oh, I'm so dumb. That Ghost Bond. Not a dang boho. It's Ghost Bond glue. And I'm just gonna be dabbing it on my head. I think I put on about 2 to 3 coats, cause you know you don't want your wig slipping. So yeah. Oh, and also in this video, I did not wait for it to turn. Well, I did for a little bit, but it was still white. Cause you know I'm impatient. I'm ready to do what I gotta do. So, but for you, wait till it's clear. Cause if you don't, your lace is gonna be white, looking dusty and crusty. Okay. So I got my wig from LUVME Hair. I always get my wigs from there because their wigs is on point, okay? On point. So the wig I got came with adjustable straps. Like it has, you know how a bra be having like the different hooks? That's what this has. So, you know, if your head too big, you can adjust it. And if your head too small, you can adjust it, okay? So I put those back on because I didn't want them to get wet. So you clamp it, and then you just put it on. You can also do a glueless because it has an adjustable strap, but I don't know how to do that yet. So we just gonna pop that thing on. So yeah. Okay, but I was really feeling like Beyonce right here. I'm a singing lady. Now put your hands up. So I forgot to put the foundation also on the wig so it can, you know, look like it's coming on my scalp. So now, don't mind my face. I be the wig, okay? So now you just place it on top of the glue. Make sure it's flat on top of the glue because you don't want lumps and stuff. So yeah. Then after you're done, just press it down. And also I use the end of a comb to like smooth it out so it can, you know, blend in with my scalp. Okay. So now that the wig is on, I'm going to be using a Got2b spray just so I can have an extra secure on my wig. And then I'm going to slap on a scarf to, you know, hold it down. So yeah. So now the scarf is on and now we wait. So now I'm just detangling the hair and trying to see like if I want a middle part or a side part. And y'all gonna see what I ended up with at the end. Period. Ooh, get it. Ooh, oh, up. Ooh, and So this is the final product, but hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Y'all niggas stealing my swag. Wishing you had my clothes. Y'all niggas round here sad. Going out back.